To update user default settings, in your HubSpot account, click the settings icon in the main navigation bar. In the left sidebar menu, click Account Defaults. Click the User Defaults tab. To change the default account language, click the Language drop-down menu. Scroll down to select the desired language. Note, this setting changes the default language of the HubSpot interface. Custom properties will not be translated. To change the default account date and number format, click the Date and Number Format drop-down menu. Scroll, and click a country. Lastly, click Save. That's it. You're done.